The central control screen is compatible with Mitsubishi V97 model manufactured before 2014, equipped with an 12.3-inch display at 2400 by 996 resolutions. It runs on a octa-core UIF 7870 processor with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. Now look at the web set for 6P. This is the USB antenna, 4G antenna, boot to rear view antenna, R4A 4G SIM slot cable, GPS antenna, power cable, CAN box, screw. Let's have a look. This texture is very premium. How to switch the UI Whisper interface. Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to drag the car to change its position. Look at the screen car layout. The 3 dot button here on the top, you can drag it out to change the position freely as you like. And all these 3 contents can be replaced. How to replace this? Tap this 3 dot button, plugin selection here, and you can see the YouTube. Tap it, and you can change the car content directly. Also, you can see here is a side button. You can drag it out to make its original side twice. Swipe down the screen and you can see the drop-down menu here. Here you can adjust the brightness and the value here. Also, we can see the night mode for you, and the screensaver is very beautiful. How to change the theme of the original car interface. Don't press the menu and you can see here we have already system for you. You can choose one you like and then back. And the interface have changed successfully. Let's have a look. How to customize the starter bar and change it. Don't press any icon on the starter bar and plus the app you want and the starter bar have replacement successfully. Tap the menu and you can see here so many app for you. Look at the first one, apps to setting. Here you can adjust, connect the Wi-Fi here and the GPS, general, and also so many functions for you. And factory with the password 336A. Inside, and have a look. And the Wi-Fi setting for you, protocol setting, display. Here you can adjust the backlight brightness of the day and the night. So tuning for you, white and black. And also, let's look at the sound. Here is the sound mixing scale for you. And the app and storage, see how many free storage. And locations, password, system, and language. Here you can change the language into the you like. Just test one more time. You have a look. Language already changed into French. At the equalizer, here is the DTS for you, and here some different sound style for you to choose, and some field setting for you, and photo mode for you, and surround sound and stereo sound enhancement, and the reverberation, bass boo, and sound filtering. Look at the video player. Here you can watch the video here, and tap this icon and choose small window mode for you. Look at the CarPlay. Here, after connect your phone, you can see so many different comps or app on your phone. You can use here, map here, and message it. Look at the setting. Here you can change the wallpaper into the color you want. Sad and bad. Let's have a look. And also see the map here, and you can search for the destination you want to go, and the music. Go to the nap song and to the private song. It's very smooth. Look at the Google Map here. Here you can search for the destination you want to go. So many different consoles and search here. Look at the media. Here is the music player and the playlist for you. Choose one you like. And this is the radio, FM and AM2 option. And the Bluetooth music. After turning your phone, you can hear the music in your phone. And this one is the online postcard for you. At the Play Store, here you can see there are so many games for you, and the app. And also you can search for the app you want here. Look at the YouTube. Here you can watch the video here, and also see the short video for you.